How does an air wipe work? An air wipe is a circular air knife, and just like in an air knife, compressed air enters the device and it's forced through a narrow slit. The internal plenum chamber is designed to ensure that there's an even distribution of air around this ring. But unlike in an air knife, rather than being in a straight line, this slit is circular in shape, and so the air is forced towards the center of that circle, producing an even distribution of high impact air towards the center of that circle. As the air passes through the air wipe, it induces a coanda effect. Now, the coanda effect is the phenomenon where fluids or gases flowing across a plane or a surface start to stick to it. So as the air is forced through the air wipe, the surrounding air is entrained with it, and this adds to the impact. It enhances the power of the compressed air used. Now, in addition to the coanda effect, the air wipe will also induce a venturi effect. This kind of sucks the air behind the ring blade, the air wipe, into it, and again adds to the force of the air. So the long and the short of it is much more air is moved by the air wipe device than just the compressed air put into it. And to give an idea of the scale of this, a properly optimized air wipe would move up to about 30 times the volume of compressed air put through the system will actually be moved by the air wipe. So they're very, very effective ways of increasing the efficiency of your compressed air. In order to induce the maximum air movement through the airstream coming out of them is angled at 30 degrees. So this ensures that when an extrusion is passed through the center of the blade, the water or hot air is pushed back along the product, ensuring that the product emerges on the other side is cool or dry, depending on the application. Now, the amount of air coming out of the air wipe can be varied by inserting shims. This widens the air gap, and so the bigger the shim, the more air, so you've got some control there. And you can also vary the air pressure to increase or decrease the impact and the amount of air you're using. Now, all you need to make an air wipe work is a suitable compressed air supply. It'll typically run between sort of 5 and 8 bar air pressure, and air consumption will vary greatly depending on the size of the blade, and we'll cover that air consumption and air quality requirements in another video.